everyone, it's Kara. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Loungefly backpack that I ordered probably back in February, and I've been very excited to receive it, and I guess with delays it took longer than expected, but I'm really glad to have it here now and excited to open up the box with you guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we have. Alright, so I just removed the tape, and here it is. Here it is. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can kind of see what it is, and let me go ahead and get off all the wrapping so we can get a better look. Oh, you guys, it's gorgeous. I love this bag, and even though it took longer than it was supposed to, it's definitely worth the wait. This is so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and just look at the details. Starting with the top, we have mini ears and the bow and icing with all these multicolored sprinkles, and the sprinkles are embroidered, so they're not going to rub off or anything. And it has the ears, which are kind of like to the side. They're not as big as the usual ones from the Disney parks bags, so I think it won't have as much of a problem like flopping over, which is nice. And yeah, it feels really nice. It's a thick faux leather, so that's good about it as well. And down here we have the waffle, which is a nice cream color and really good texture, feels really good quality. And I love this little bag charm. It's mini and she's like the little cherry on the top. I love that. It's really cute. All right, let's go ahead and look at the sides. All right, so here's the sides, and it does have side pockets and the white plate. And then here on the back, it's plain and it has cream straps, and they have a nice texture to them. And here's the other side, also with the waffle cream color. And let's take a look at the inside. All right, so here's a close look at the inside, and it has like Minnie Mouse with the sprinkles. And this bag is definitely a new favorite of mine. If you like it too, please like my video. And if you want to see more from me, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great one. Bye.